Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today we'll guide you through a step-by-step process on how to know if someone restricted you on WhatsApp. If you're curious about whether someone has limited your access to their profile or updates, keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged in and have a stable internet connection. Navigate to the chat of the person you suspect has restricted you. Search for their name in your chat list, or use the search bar to locate them. Step 3. Check if you can see their last seen or online status at the top of the chat window. If these are missing, it could be an indicator that they've restricted you or changed their privacy settings. Step 4. Look at their profile photo. See if it's visible or if it has been updated recently. If their profile photo is blank or hasn't changed in a long time, it's possible you've been restricted. Step 5. Observe the message status when you send them a message. If you see only one gray check mark, the message hasn't been delivered, which could indicate restriction. However, if you see 2 gray check marks, it means the message has been delivered to their device. Step 6. Tap the voice call or video call icon in the top right corner. Attempt to place a call to the person. Step 7. Check if the call connects. If the call does not go through and immediately shows a failed or unavailable message, this might be a sign that you've been restricted. And that's it. These simple steps can help you figure out if someone has restricted you on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.